Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Statement problems or word problems. When students get the direct equation, they are able to solve it. But when they have to formulate the equations, that is the time when they face problems. Now in this video, I am going to take up some very basic problems of how to set up equations from statements. Watch the entire video. This is going to be a really important one, because if you can formulate the correct equation and you know how to solve them, your problem of basic algebra will be solved. So let's see what do we have in this video. Before that, let me just tell you about the Learning Loop app which we have come up with, and this app contains very nominal costing validity based ebooks. Ebooks means the books which can be read on the app. Now these ebooks may pertain to the reasoning courses, to the short trick courses which are useful for developing 10 times faster speed of calculations, and also for school students we have test series and chapter wise worksheets also. Lots and lots of stuff already uploaded on this Learning Loop app. This is the logo of the app. So make sure that you are downloading the correct thing from the link given in the description box below, and watch free videos also on the app. Go for this. Let's see the topic in hand now. The first question which I am going to take up is check whether the given value of the variable is a solution of the given equation. So we have an equation given here and a value of n which is 14 given here. Now we have to check whether n equal to 14 is a solution of this equation 2n plus 13 equal to 41 or not. So whenever you have to check whether a given value of the variable is a solution or not, you just have to put this value of variable in the equation and check whether the left hand side and the right hand side are coming to be equal or not. Let's check here. So you can see the left hand side of the equation is 2n plus 13. So what happens when you put n equal to 14 here? This 2 is multiplied by 14 now, and we will add 13 to the result. So what do we get? 2 times 14 is 28 and we add 13 to the result. In this case, 13 plus 28 is 41. So have we obtained the right hand side? Look at the right hand side of the equation. It is exactly 41. And when you obtain the right hand side of the equation, then it means that this value n equal to 14 is a solution of the given equation. Very easy, right? Let's see another one. Write equations for the following statement. 9 subtracted from, this from word is very important, 4 times p gives minus 3. Now there are some keywords in the statement which we have to follow. Subtracted from, that means this is to be written in the latter half, that is in the second half of the question. 9 is being subtracted from something. From what? 4 times p. If it is 4 times p, this is 4p. And we are subtracting 9 from this. Gives means equal to. So if you know these basics, then I think this question is not going to trouble you. We are subtracting something from 4p. So subtract what? 9. 9 subtracted from 4p. Gives means is equal to minus 3. That is the equation form of this particular statement. Not difficult if you understand the basics, if you know how to tackle the basic statements of equations, because these are going to form the base of higher statements also. When you solve linear equations in two variables, quadratic equations, cubic equations, simultaneous equations, there are so many things coming up which are based on this particular concept. Let's see some more questions. Here we have an equation n upon 6 equals n upon 3 minus 5. So what is required here is we have to write it in the statement form. Now how to write this in statement form? This is n divided by 6. So we can write it as n divided by 6. Divided by 6. I told you what is equal to. Equal to means gives. So you have to write the word gives when you find an equal to sign. How do you write n upon 3 minus 5? Gives 5 less. Minus 5 means 5 less than something. Gives 5 less than, you can write n upon 3 as n divided by 3, or you can write the quotient of n and 3. So n divided by 6 gives 5 less than the quotient of n and 3. You can write it like this, or you can write 5 less than n divided by 3. N divided by 3. Both ways it will work, and this is the exact statement of this particular equation. Likewise, if you have to fill in the blanks, there are so many types of questions. The detailed worksheet obviously is given on the Learning Loop app. You can download that from the Learning Loop app, but I'm just telling you what are the various types of questions which you can face in this particular chapter, this particular subconcept. The value of k upon 5 plus 4 for k equal to minus 15. So I told you, whenever you have to find the value of something and you have a variable, the value of the variable is to be substituted here. So k upon 5 plus 4 will become, if you put k equal to minus 15, this will be minus 15 upon 5 plus 4. So what will be the value? 5 cancels 15 3 times. So you have minus 3 here and plus 4, which gives you 1 as the answer for this particular question. Not at all a difficult one, but you should be really good in your basic calculations. Friends, we can go on and on like this. We have so many questions based on these concepts. Let's see another one. Solve the following equation by trial and error. You know what is trial and error? Trial and error is, see, you have a variable m here. So the left hand side, what does the left hand side become when you put m equal to 1? So we are trying some values. If you put m equal to 1, you will get 4 minus 11, that is minus 7. Now the right hand side is not minus 7. So m equal to 1, the value which we put here, does not work. This is called try and error. You keep on trying some values. If you get an error, you try again. Trial and error. So let's try the left hand side when m equal to 2. So if you put m equal to 2, you get 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 11 is minus 3. Again, it is not 5. So the left hand side when m is 3, you keep on putting like this. 12 minus 11. This is not going to give you 5 again. Let's put LHS. We have 4 times. Now we are putting 4. So 4 times 4 minus 11. This is 16 minus 11, and fortunately I have 5, which is the right hand side. Once you get the right hand side, it means we have got our solution. What did we put in place of m? The value of m is 4. This is called trial and error. Sometimes trial and error can be very lengthy, so you need some traditional methods also. But when the value of the variable is like 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, any of those, you can easily find that out. Let's see this one. So there are two girls here, Rohini and Mohini. They are typing some pages. Rohini typed 8 pages. 8 pages. This was, that means this 8 pages was 2/5 of the number of pages Mohini typed. Now you are asked to take the number of pages Mohini typed as P. So if you assume that Mohini typed X or P, whatever he says, X pages or P pages, then let's go with the statement. Rohini typed 8 pages. This was, that means 8 was 2/5. 2/5 means 2 upon 5 of the number of pages Mohini typed. Mohini typed P pages, so 2/5 of P. You can write it like this, or you can write 2/5 of P on the left hand side and 8 on the right hand side. Either way, it is correct. This is how you represent statements in equation form and equations in statement form. a very important video for all my dear friends who are studying in class 6, 7, 8. They need to be really sharp in dealing with these statements and completing those fill-ups which you may get as you saw in this video itself. So friends, do share this video with all your friends who are studying in class 7, class 6, class 8. Very important for them. Do subscribe this channel and click the bell shaped icon for getting the notifications of whatever uploads I am doing on the channel. Thanks for watching this video and all the best.